Hi, Shanka. I'm sorry. I just called you. This is Shaniqua.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, my boyfriend just walked in, and I'm trying to keep the secret. Okay. The reason I need to go there is I need some safety.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, like I need to stay there so I'm away from him because for the past like 3 weeks he's been out with this girl that I don't even know. And if he comes in here, I'm gonna beat him. I'm gonna go crazy. I need to be somewhere where I'm away. I need to be there. I need to see some doctors. I need some security around me.
Okay, ma'am. Well, when would you like to schedule your appointment?
Right now. I mean, I need to schedule it now. I don't need to come in right now.
Okay, ma'am. Did you want to come in tomorrow morning?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. What time tomorrow morning?
I don't know. Tell me what time I can get in there. I mean, I need to take my babies to school.
Okay, ma'am. Well, we do have appointments as early as 8 o'clock.
Okay, no, they gotta go to school. Can I call you? I have to whisper. Can I call you back in the morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, ma'am.
I gotta go. Okay, bye.